What is going on, you guys? Welcome to the Pinnacle, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move an item into your trash on your MacBook Pro and some other actions associated with it. So here we have a video here. Well, I have a video here. I just named it Thanos because it has Thanos and Thor in it. So uh, from Infinity War. So I would like to delete it, right? So you can right click and you can say move to trash. Well, yeah, deleting means moving into trash, right? So but I don't want to do that. I would like to do something else. So you press command and you press delete. So command and delete, just do it. It has been sent to your recycling, not recycling bin, to your trash. Okay, so you open up trash, and this video is right here. Now I would like to put this video back into my desktop here. How do you do that? You can right click, absolutely, and it says put back, but hey, I don't want to do that, right? So you do the same thing when you delete it. When you move this item to trash, you press command and delete, right? Do it again and see what happens. Command and delete, and guess what? Thanos is back into my desktop, and you can see it over here as well, right there. So yeah, that's one way to put it back. But the thing is, like, if you want to delete it permanently, well, I don't want to delete Thanos this video permanently, but let's check this one out. I would like to delete this. You can right click. Once you select, you right click on it, and you have that option. Notice that if you select this and go up to settings here, yeah, you're not gonna find anything. No delete immediately thing option here. So you have to select it and right click and delete immediately, and it gives you this thing. This item will be deleted immediately. You can't undo this action. Absolutely, go delete it. Done with these raptors. But yeah, that's that. If you guys have any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe.